Good morning. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video today. We got our 4-in-1 kit from Healthy Hydration here. It's actually a funny story behind it. My mom had ordered one and then they accidentally sent us an extra one, so she bought that one in order to give it to my sister, and then they sent another one. So that's this kit. And we've tried to return it. We got our returning labels mixed up, and so instead of going back, it went to our internet provider, and they thankfully returned it to us. So we ended up just going ahead and purchasing this as well. Fingers crossed that we don't get yet another kit in the mail at this point. Okay, so open the box. We have a thank you for your purchase, the scan code here for the product details and to register it. And this is, I really like their packaging because they don't waste any space. I really hate it when you get those boxes and it's like a huge box and this little tiny thing inside. This box is the perfect size for this. Alright, so it's the starter pack from Healthy Hydration. And we're going to open up and show you what it all comes in it. I'm really excited to start using this regularly this cycle. I'm on cycle day 9 today, and I'm super excited. Alright, so it comes with these little books. This is for your disinfecting spray, and then here's the user manual for the HydraShot. Put those aside. Okay, right on top here we have the hose to attach the this is for breathing, for the inhalation. So this kit comes with the inhalation tubes. It comes with the goggles for treating your eyes. It really helps rebuild your collagen around your eyes. My mom has been doing that. It's just super relaxing. And we have the measuring cup and charger port for your disinfecting spray. Here's the disinfecting spray. And that's the same, this is safe to use on your skin for like disinfecting wounds, as well as your countertops in your bathroom. It's really great stuff. So here is the plug-in for your HydraShot charger. You do not want to lose this. You can't use anything else with it. You have to use this plug, otherwise you might fry the electronics in the HydraShot. All right, here it is, the HydraShot. Open this up. All right, look at that. Amazing, I'm so excited. Comes with the regular cap. Oh, and the last time that we got this, they had a different rubber seal in here. It was the graded one, but the solid seal like this works a lot better. So I'm glad that this one has that one instead of the other one. And then it also comes with the adapter lid for the HydraShot, so you can use the inhalation and the goggles. See, it's got a little port here that you would connect the hose to. So this is everything that comes with, except for the charging cord, of course, for the HydraShots right there too. So that's everything. You can go ahead and keep this box. It's a really nice sturdy box, got nice foam fittings for everything, for storage. So if you wanted to store these in the box so that they're not just kind of hanging out wherever, that would work very well. So here's everything all put together that comes in the 4-in-1 kit. If you are interested in seeing how you can get one for yourself, check out my description, like, comment, and share this video, and we will see you guys next time.